I'm very, very honored to be the new brand ambassador for Nakshatra. It's an amazing brand. I think the brand symbols everything that is beauty, grace, elegance, mystery. And it's a brand which I think has found a special place in the hearts of almost every Indian woman. And it's a great honor for me to be here today to celebrate this new occasion. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Katrina, and you are the perfect brand ambassador for Nakshatra. We'd like to invite onto stage, back actually, Mr. Anuj Rakin to please felicitate you with a little token of our appreciation. Mr. Rakin, could we have you on stage, please? Request Katrina to give away a little gift to the winner of the Nakshatra New Face contest. Mr. Karan Patel, are you here? That is Karan Patel. Could we please have you on stage?
करंट फाइनेंशियल ईयर में रिटेल फॉर्मेट पर इन्वेस्टमेंट की कितना प्लानिंग, कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट करने वाले हैं?
ग्रुप की तरफ से अगले साल के लिए पूरा इन्वेस्टमेंट हमारे ज्वेलरी की तरफ क्लोज टू $50 मिलियन रहेगा और ये अगले 2 साल के लिए है $50 मिलियन और ये मतलब जो डेवलपमेंट जाएगा इट्स टुवर्ड्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एज वेल एज रिटेल एक्सपेंशन।
टोटल ऑल ओवर नेशन वाइड?
हाँ जी,
ऑल ओवर नेशन वाइड।
साउंड इज नॉट क्लियर।
पूरे देश के हिसाब से इन्वेस्टमेंट
किस हिसाब से इन्वेस्टमेंट?
ऑल ओवर इंडिया में इन्वेस्टमेंट है?
ऑल ओवर इंडिया।
तो कितने नए रिटेल आउटलेट्स,
कितने नए आउटलेट्स होंगे? हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि अगले साल तक 150 नए आउटलेट्स होंगे स्टैंड अलोन स्टोर्स की तरफ।
तो इसमें टायर 1 सिटी, टायर 2 सिटी इस तरह कुछ क्लासिफिकेशन किए हैं? कितना
ज़्यादातर ग्रोथ हमारा अभी टियर 2 सिटीज़ में हो रहा है। करीबन 60 to 65% ग्रोथ अभी टियर 2 टाउन से आ रही है।
आप कैटरीना कैफ से भी वही उम्मीद करते हैं?
ज़रूर। जब साल 2000 में जब ऐश्वर्या राय आई थी तो वो भी राइजिंग स्टार थी और हम यही सोचते हैं कि मतलब आज कटरीना भी मतलब शी इज़ this #1 star in Bollywood in terms of success in movies, and she's a rising star. So we feel she. आप जानते हैं हमारे साथ दूसरे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स कौन हैं, मतलब ब्रांड से? तो
मुझे नहीं पता। आपने शायद हर बार आप नए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर लेके आते हैं, इसलिए आपने शायद सिलेक्शन किया होगा फ्यूचर प्लानिंग के हिसाब से।
जब हम चेंज करेंगे हम आपको जरूर बुलाएंगे।
आपका
कटरीना यहाँ है, आप अगर पूछना चाहते हैं तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं।
Mr. Rakin, question to your left, the lady there.
Hi, this is Shayanti from the Times Retail Biz. I would like to know how much of luxury goods retailing is taking place in India, and how popular do you think it is right now?
Well, it's hard to put a figure on it, but I'd encourage all of you to make use of the fact that Katrina's over here if you'd like to ask her something, and I'm always available for
Okay, so
general
maybe
questions after the press con.
I'll find out something from Katrina. Hi, this is Shayanti here.
I think all the girls are finding you better looking. So I'll wait.
What do you think is common between you and the diamond jewelry you're going to be the brand ambassador for?
I think, as I mentioned earlier, to me, and I think to most of us here, Nakshatra has found a very special place in the hearts of most Indian women. It's almost like it's become a symbol of something special, something meaningful. It doesn't have to be just an occasion like Diwali or marriage or a birthday. I think it's just it's a symbol of a special time. And when you own a piece of jewelry from them, I think it means something special. And I've related to the brand, I think, primarily from the fact that their jewelry is something I personally would wear. I've said before in many of my interviews that jewelry which is a little too ornate sometimes for me doesn't, I don't know, I'm not so comfortable with it. So their jewelry is stunning. Now whenever I have a function to go to, I'm just going to call up and say, please let me wear your jewelry. So at least, that saves me, having to look for something in the future. And I think they stand for, yes, the Indian classical beauty, but at the same time, I think they are also trying to appeal to the modern customer at the same time.
All the best to you.
One right at the back for you, Katrina and Anuj. Right at the
Hi
back.
Katrina, Shikha from IBN7. Here. Yeah, the punchline is goddess of luck. Do you think you are a goddess of luck?
Wow, I actually, I know I've seen that. It's on my poster, but I didn't really think about that. No, I don't think I'm the goddess of luck. I think what it means is that when you have a piece of jewelry from Nakshatra, I think it's just bringing something special into your life. I don't consider myself a goddess of any kind, but I'm definitely very happy to be the face of this campaign.
But you are known as a goddess of beauty. Do you accept this?
No, I don't think so. You know, to one person, someone can be the most beautiful person in the world, and to another person, it can be someone entirely different. I think beauty is such an individual statement. It's such an individual thing. I think our whole campaign and everything just worked out very nicely, and this is the new tagline for their campaign. But I don't think I should take it too seriously.
I just actually wanted to comment on Goddess of Luck because I didn't get a chance to speak about it earlier. You know, the way we came out with it was all the auspicious events that, you know, a lot of Indian women buy jewelry for, you know, surrounded by luck and prosperity. And we always look up at the stars for luck, and that's what Nakshatra symbolizes. So, you know, to a large extent, we thought that, you know, creating a brand that is built on the stars and the stars kind of relating to luck and prosperity, and having Katrina on board now, so it kind of all just fit together, and we decided to call it Goddess of Luck. So that's why we have Goddess of Luck.
Katrina, little down. Katrina जी यहाँ पे. तेरा फोन इशारा है दोस्त. ये प्रवीण मारो. अरे प्रवीण. Katrina, center, Katrina. Katrina, center, look. Katrina, center, yeah. Katrina ji, yeah, left. Center, look. Katrina. Yeah, both of you, yeah, please. Katrina. Katrina, only Katrina, please, Katrina. Katrina, yeah, please, Katrina. Katrina, last. Katrina, yeah. Katrina, yeah. Katrina, yeah. How do you feel about this?